Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing 2016 Ford E350. This system will also be compatible with the Ford Mustang, Ford Explorer, and Ford Edge. I'm going to show you some kind of feature come with this system. This system comes with the 4GB of RAM, and it's come with Android 10.0. And this one comes with the built-in navigation system. This system also comes with the traffic update. Okay, you can also enter the address here. Go back to home menu. You also come with the Bluetooth music and Bluetooth phone call, and Bluetooth and radio as well. This system also come with the high definition screen. You also come with the Wi-Fi, YouTube, Google Map. As long as you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can use the Google Map here. And other than that, you can also use the YouTube. You can also watch the movie here. And then you can also watch the Netflix. You can also watch the movie from the USB too. Okay. Other than that, you can also watch the Netflix. This is the Netflix here. You can also install your own backup camera onto the vehicle as well. You can also install any application from the Google App Store. You can also update from the Google App Store too. I'm going to show you how to connect to the Bluetooth. First of all, you need to click on the Bluetooth here, and then the Bluetooth device name is called Ford. You can just connect, use your phone to search the Bluetooth device name. Password, you can also customize the password too. In order to connect to the Wi-Fi, you can go to Setting, Network, Wi-Fi, and then when you turn on the hotspot on the cell phone, then you can connect to the Wi-Fi. Other than that, you can also use the voice control from the system as well. This system also comes with the many settings here. You can go to Setting, Car Setting, Base Setting. You can also change the brightness and also by default the navigation software too. This system can also be purchased from our website, www.autotecpro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.